welcome back to another video. I hope your Ramadan is going well. Today in this video I have a very simple recipe. Since we're all home, we're locked down, we're not moving too much, so I decided to make a very healthy recipe for you all and myself as well. So we are making beet salad with feta cheese and some simple ingredients that I have here. So let's get to it. So the options are really limitless. It's really up to you what you want to add for this salad. You can upgrade this salad with some maybe quinoa, maybe some honey, or some balsamic vinegar. So it's really up to you. So let's just get to the recipe and see what I have. Ingredients for this simple salad are beets, feta cheese, fresh parsley, some pecans, few cranberries, fresh spinach, some arugula, a pomegranate, extra virgin olive oil, Himalayan salt, and some black pepper. We're going to peel the beets and also make sure that you have gloves on. Be really careful around you because you can stain your hands or maybe clothes or I don't know, your white counters. Just be aware. The stain is not easy to remove, so you want to make sure about that. Tip for you all. You can cook these ahead of time and store them in the fridge. Take them whenever you want, cut them, dress them the way you want, and you're done. While my beets are being cooked, I'm going to take care of my little ingredients that I have here. So I'm going to start by chopping the parsley. So now we're going to crumble the feta cheese. Ready, and it's time to add all the ingredients together and we're gonna make our salad. In a mixing bowl, combine all the ingredients. Feel free to add more cheese if you like, but just keep in mind that feta cheese is quite salty, so you just want to add your salt at the very end. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. It's really healthy. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want me to make any other dishes that you like. I'll be happy to make those. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram at Sahar's Life 1. Until next video, bye bye.